All right, we're back. What's going on here today? Here today, here today, every single day, actually, every day at 8 a.m. live. And today, what we're going to do is let me just tell AI because you can listen to that. We're going to focus in on the extended OFI advanced no licks here. So we'll make that our new base file. Anyways, you're going to take that file and you're going to make a new version. You're going to make a couple new versions, actually. The first new version, I want you to test with a 7% stop loss, 5% take profit. We'll call that 5-7. We'll throw that at the end of, extended OFI advanced no licks 5-7. Okay. You're going to make another version as well. These are going to be new files. This other version here is going to have a 15-minute max time instead of just a 5-minute max time, position time. So we'll name this something similar with 15M. Okay, what else, dude? Let's start with those two. So in total, you're going to be building 2 new bots based off of the original extended OFI advanced no licks. Let's make sure she has the exact one. Extended OFI advanced no licks. Let's go to a matter of fact. Extended, where are you? Rico, hello, good morning. No licks, let's get it. Okay, build those 2. And then the next 2 I want them to build. I want to do that 5-second supply demand zone, but only with no licks. Okay, so let's go ahead and find that one. Extended SDZ. At extended SDZ. Now, I want you to learn from how you set up this extended OFI advanced no licks.py. And essentially create a new version of our extended SDZ5S and add no licks to it. So the same rules where we won't trade if there are over 250,000 in liquidations in the last X minutes, just copy those settings and add those parameters to the top, just like you did for the other one. Do that for this SDZ F5S.py. Go ahead and make a new file that is that, but with no licks. So you're essentially taking the no licks part from the extended OFI advanced no licks and adding it to the extended SDZ5S and making a new file and putting no licks on it. Thank you. Okay, dude, we just can fly through this. It's crazy. I have ideas that take me all day to think about, and then I just do it in 2 seconds. Okay, and then I'm out. Peace. Perfect. I've successfully created both new versions. AVAX was sub 777, extended OFI advanced no licks 5-7, and then the extended OFI no licks 15 minutes. Let's go ahead and make sure my tracking sheet here is Gucci. Let's go ahead and insert rows. Okay. So 10-8, 10-9 today. Testing the bigger SLTP. Okay, I should do that better. 5-7 SL. It's actually TPSL, TPSL, and 15 minutes instead of 5 max time. Okay, sick. This keeps the same take profit stop loss. Sweet, dude. Let's go ahead here and put that there. and then put this here, extended, okay. And I can see the thing in both of them. Okay, let's see. Both bots inherit all the improvements we made. No max attempts on position closing. Proper liquidation handling. UTC time zone fixed for liquidation. Fam, fire. Thank you. Let's go ahead and get this third one set up. And now I'll have 3 to test here today. While that happens, I want to learn what the sub account usage is here. So maybe they have a sub account. Let's go here. Say get balance, get positions, open orders by ID, create and edit, create transfer, referral, points, get earned points, private WebSocket streams here. Account update streams. Let's go ahead and say extended exchange sub account, trading accounts and margin. Okay, here we go. So let's read through it. Trading accounts and margin, because if I have so many different tests per day, I need a place to run them. Extended supports USDC as collateral. Margin mode and trading accounts. By default, our platform enables cross margin, allowing collateral to be shared among all positions within a single trading account. Alternatively, users can opt for isolated margin by creating separate trading accounts under the same wallet. Users can create up to 10 accounts with independent margin per single wallet. The liquidation of one trading account does not impact the liquidation of another trading account created under the same wallet. Users have the ability to transfer their available balance from withdrawals defined below between trading accounts without any fees. However, it's important to note that these transfers can impact the margin ratio and liquidation of the involved individual accounts. Account balances. Every trading account has the following. Hedge mode. Okay, so it looks like you can have multiple accounts, which is nice within the interface. Perfect. I've created successfully extended SDZ 5 seconds no licks with all the liquidation monitoring features. Let me create a summary. So they created extended SDZ 5 seconds no licks.py. New features added from the OFI no licks bot imports NumPy pandas and Moondav API. Liquidation amount USD 250 racks 10 minutes back. Liquidations check every 30 seconds. Full implementation with get liquidation total UTC. Okay, this looks like it's gonna be the same, so I'm gonna go ahead and say let's go ahead and put it in there. Okay, I have 3 good tests now. Now, how do I want to run this? One by one. Or all at the same time? Let me look at the UI and see what happens if I make a new account under the same profile. Main account, okay. I could say add, and I could say account 2. Create. Confirm. Confirm. And then how would the API work? Generate API key. Generate API key, okay. Show API details. This could be cool, dude. This could be cool. So if I did it this way, I could have 3. Yeah, this is the way. This is the way. This is the way. Okay, I'm gonna put like let's see here. I'm gonna test it. I'm gonna see if this actually works. I'm gonna make 3 accounts, have 3 total, and then I'll be able to test 3 different ideas per day and maybe 6 if I'm really on it. Create, confirm, confirm. Let's look at this real quick. Should be fine. Let's say transfer here from main account to account 2. And let's just say a random amount. A random amount. And then some to 3 as well. 2, okay. Transfer. Okay, sick. So I transferred 5 total. Transferred 3 and 2 to other accounts so I can debug these to see if work. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna get off screen because I gotta add my keys. You don't want to show your keys. .env, Rico, hello. You can't see my screen, right? Good, good, good. Account 2. And then let's go ahead and actually get that account stuff in there. This is not financial advice. API, show API details, API key, got to get that in there. Start key public, got to get that in there. Start key private, got to get that in there. Vault ID, got to get that in there. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing, but for account 3. So account 3 here, let's go 3, 3, 3, 3. Save, okay. Go to keys here again. Generate API key. Show details. Grab the API key. Okay. Grab the start public key. Okay. Grab the start private key. Okay. Grab the vault number. Okay. And then I'm going to go here and say copy save. Be out. Never show that again. .env example. Okay, well, let's see here. Copy this all over. .env example. Okay, let's paste those in. Okay, there we go. I'm back. .env example. You can see it. .env example. I updated. Now I have 3 accounts. So what I wanted to do here is this. Okay, so since we have 3 bots now, I want to test out this multi-account feature. You can see my .env example of how the keys are set up. They're set up exactly like that in the .env. Don't even look at my .env. But you can see we're already using the X10 API key regularly. What I want you to do here is make a new script. Don't touch our bots yet. And this script, I want you to print out the account balance for account 2 and account 3. Don't worry about account 1 because it's already working. This is a test to see if you can get connected correctly. I put a certain amount in each of them. Build this script and see if you can print them out. Thank you. Okay, so let's go ahead and see. I'm scared she's gonna look at my EMV, so I'm gonna pull it off screen. She's musing right now. What are you doing? Created test multi-account. Okay, run. Can you ensure it doesn't actually print out the keys or anything like that? Sauteing. What? All right, let's see how it does. Test multi-accounts. Test multi-accounts. Let's run it, fam. Nice. It gets them. Account 2, account 3. Perfect, dude. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So this is great because now I can test 3 times faster. Yes, this is good, dude. This is good. Okay, so now that we have this functionality, for the 3 bots that you built today, please put at the very top of the code a variable account number, and it will be 1, 2, or 3. That way, it's at the very top of the code, and if I have account 1, it will just be the regular account. If I have account 2, it will use the second account 2. And then if I use account 3, it will use account 3. Have the printout very clear in the bot when it starts using account 1, account 2, account 3. Don't need to print out any of the keys or anything like that. Just tell me, thank you. Please build all three. Build this feature into all three since they're all done already. So the SDZ 5-second no licks, the OFI advanced no licks 5-7 and no licks 15 minutes. Those are the three to add this new feature to. Thank you. Nice, it got it. Good, good, good. Okay, so this is fire. This is fire. This is fire. This is fire. This is gonna let me really step on the gas. I'm gonna put this one on account 1, this one on account 2, and this one on account 3. Multi-account feature 1 by 1. Actually, you know what? And matter of fact, since this is a new functionality, I don't know if it's as easy as just switching to the new accounts API keys and private keys and whatnot, or if you need to rewrite parts of the code. So you might have to, if you do, just double check all three of the bots to make sure that this account switch thing will work real smoothly, where I just have to change the variable at the top to 2 or 3 or whatever. Georgialina 777, good to see you. Success is not final, failure is not fatal. It's the courage to continue that counts. Believe in yourself and all that you are. Think positive. Love one another. Let us walk in the light. Be faithful until death. Your only limit is you. The difference between ordinary and extraordinary is that little extra. Be strong in the 777. Be kind and compassionate to one another. The 777 is my protector. Okay, so you can see if account 1, if account 2, if account 3, perfect. All three bots update with the multi-account feature. Okay, extended SDZ no licks, extended OFI no licks, and extended OFI advanced no licks. Simply change the account number. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna set it up exactly how I said I was over on my tracking sheet. Extended OFI no licks. So let's start there. Extended OFI advanced no licks 5-7. You, sir, you get account 1. Okay, you got it. You already got it. Good, good, good. Okay, extended OFI advanced no licks 15 minutes. You, sir, get account 2. Okay, good, good, good. And then you, sir, get sub account 3. Extended 5 seconds, no licks. Extended SDZ 5 seconds, no licks. Okay, you got 3, dude. You got 3. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let me go ahead and get these final stats here for this one before I move on. Okay, solid, solid, solid. Got it. Good. Gotta get it good. Hola, nado. Wishy, what's up, bro? 777. Don't let what you cannot do interfere with what you can do. Okay. Okay, John. Okay, John Wooden. Life is 10% what happens to you and 90% how you react to it. Flip. What up, Flip? Flip. Flip. All right. So let's get this all set up here. And what do we do here? What do we do here? This is actually going to be so slick, dude. Okay, cool. I got it, dude. So let's track all this stuff real quick. Let's get all the tracking done first because that's important. Copy, paste. These are 0, 0. Okay. Balance. That's important. Okay, and account 2 here. So this is gonna be so nice. Beautiful. Okay, that's all set, I think. Now I simply just need to run these, and I should probably run them all here on, I have folders here. Terminals, I mean. Okay, let's see how they do. Let's get all three of them going, dude. So extended. Let's go ahead and find it. Extended. OFI 57. Copy path. Copy path. It's on account 1. I'm going to say Python run it. Wait. Okay. Okay. I'm just going to stop it. Just make sure everything looks good. Using account 1, perfect. Initialize API. It's the 5-7 mode. Stop loss and take profit 5 and 7. I gotta ask that, be honest. I plan on running all three of these at the same time. One question I do have is the created new signal tracker data OFI signals. Are these gonna bump into each other if I'm running three of them at the same time? Because now I have three sub account or two sub accounts and one main account. I can run them all on. Let me know if, you know, look through the code and think it through. And let me know if you think this is going to be a problem or not. Don't code anything yet, but just think it through and tell me your honest review. Thank you. They might bump into each other. They might bump into each other, dude. We'll see. Yes, there will be a problem. Here's why. All three files go to the exact one. So bot one, when you run all three simultaneously, writes there, file locking race continues. Even though the tracker has threading.lock, okay. You need to have separate. Okay, let's get it. All right, let's get it then. Yes, you should implement it now. For all three, thank you. All three, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now you can run all three at the same time. Okay, let's go ahead and see. Here's number one. Okay, it says it's saving it to account one. Great. Okay, here's number two. Let's see if we can get this one going, dude. Extended OFI advanced no licks 15M. So this is a bigger sleep, or not sleep, bigger sleep, but a bigger risk in the market. Time in the market, max. Max time in the market. So trading disabled here, 680,000, 638,000 in liquidations in the last 10 minutes. And this one is about the same, which it should be. 625,000 in the last 10 minutes. They're both off. Okay, we got two of them running already, fam. Look at that. It's quick today. We step on the gas every day, piece by piece, day by day. Piece by piece, day by day. You can't really stop us. Let's keep it pushing. We got one more here. Extended SDZ, 5 seconds, no licks. Okay. Dude, I have another one I want to try as well. But maybe another day. I'm gonna put that here on here. Dude, this is so good. This is so good. This is so good. Okay, so you can see the third one. Okay, that was on account two. Extended no licks. Perfect. So let's find the SDZ 5 seconds no licks. 5 seconds no licks. It's on account three. Good. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Let's go ahead and say Python run it. And now I'm going to watch all three of these run all day. You can see it's on account three. Perfect. Okay, I'm going to watch all of these run. Make sure they don't run into any errors. Which they may. Which they probably will. But I got all three of them down here on the screen. Okay, so now what is the question? You ask yourself that. Well, guess what? I got more things to do. I got more things. I got more and more things. Okay, so now we have these three bots running perfectly. Let's go ahead and keep an eye on them throughout the day. Throughout the day. So it's in a cooldown of 120 seconds. You can see this one is still in a no trade zone. 929,000 is over the 250,000. Jimmy, how are you, bro? Let's make sure that all three accounts look good. Account one, account two, and I have all the tracking down here perfectly. Let's go ahead and make sure that this is all set as well. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Damn, this is just, I feel like I just 3x'd my life speed. They all maintain their own history now, which is good. Time is it 9:45 here? Let's go ahead and check out what's going on with the opening of the stock market. Nvidia is up. Tesla is down. Pump fun. Pumpity fun. So all three of these are under the same thing. You can see it's a million liquidations in the last 10 minutes, so they're all paused. Oh, I did get an error here. Oh, but good. API error, keep previous state. Great, great, great. That's just going to happen every once in a while, so I built that in yesterday off stream. Jimmy, what's up, dude? 777. Your only limit is you. You're your only limit, dude. You are your only limit. I need to update this website here. We're going to do something. All right, let's see if I can get this all updated here. The first thing I need to do is change this 3-day. Actually, first thing I need to do is go to Cloudflare, click funnels, and then Cloudflare. Leave site, yes. And essentially, I need to make my domain. I need to send my domain back to this. You can see the 3 bots are still sitting here. 1, 2, 3. Shimo, what's up, bro? Let's go to domains, account settings here, and then go to domains. TradeBot challenge, external domain, edit. I actually think I need to delete it. Okay, I deleted it. And I'm gonna add it back. Add your own domain. Add domain. Attempt automatic setup. Continue. Continue as guest. Configure your domain manually by adding these settings. So I gotta go to Cloudflare. Log in. Let's go to the domain here. Domain. DNS. CNAME, I believe it said. CNAME. Host name. Okay. Target. Not Vercel anymore. Save. You're all set. Done. Nice, dude. Verified. Currently being processed. Okay, that's fine. SSL, make sure they got that. Default page, make sure that falls. Okay, great. Okay, great. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Nice, it's verified now. Let's see if it pops up correctly. TradeBotChallengeHere.com. Nice, bro. Okay, now I need to change all of this stuff. So let me go ahead and change all of it. Three-hour live event. And the date is what is that date? October 14th at 10 a.m. Eastern time. So let's change that in as many places as I possibly can. 3-hour live event, 3 hours of live. I'll show you exactly, okay? Learn exactly how to build trading bots, okay? And then let's change all this 3-hour challenge. 3 hour, hour one. Hour three. What's up, Wishy? October at 12 p.m. Hour one. And then we'll look through it together just to make sure everything looks okay. Okay, I think I got it all, dude. Let's see. Trade bot challenge. Hey, did not save it? New incognito here. Okay, 3 hour trade bot challenge. Look, dude, I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars with this exact trading bot framework, and I'm not gonna just tell you about it. I'm gonna let you steal it. I'm gonna help you master it. In this 3 day trade bot challenge, if you're a crypto trader who's ambitious, committed, and persistent, and you typically are good at what you do, but you're just not having the results that you know you deserve in 3 hours, but remove your emotions, automate your trading, get access to the 3 hour live trade bot challenge that takes the complications out of trading. 3 hours of live training on Zoom, teaching you exactly how to automate your trading. I'll show you the exact system I use to trade algorithmically, learn exactly how to build trading bots that can trade your strategies for the rest of your life, even if you don't know how to trade. Join me for the 3 hour. Okay, I fixed that part. It should say 3 hour. Okay, a closer look. Hour one, October 14th at 10 a.m. Eastern. Hour one will be all about showing you how to code in Python and then showing you exactly how to come up with unlimited winning trading strategies so you can later pick which ones you want to implement into bots. After hour one, you'll know exactly how to learn to code and exactly where to find unlimited trading strategies for your future trading bots. Hour two, October 14th at 11 a.m. Hour two, I will be holding your hand through the process of taking those strategies I showed you how to find and testing them to see if they were profitable in the past. If they were profitable in the past, they are much more likely to be profitable in the future. By the end of hour two, you will be a pro at finding strategies and testing them to see if they were actually profitable in the past. Hour three, October 14th at 12 p.m. EST. Hour three, I will be showing you how to take those profitable strategies that we proved out on in hour two. In hour two. By the end of hour three, you will have everything you need in order to find trading strategies, test to see if they were profitable in the past, and then build them into automated trading strategies. Okay, so this is wrong as well. It's on not in February. It's in October. Just a few months later. Okay, so I changed that. Get access to everything. Where is this? This is a button. Elements, maybe? Okay, there. That should be updated as well. Okay, I think this is pretty good now. So let's go ahead and refresh it because I did make a couple of changes. Trade bot challenge. October 14th at 10 a.m. Eastern time. I need to update this video. Don't need that anymore. Um, Show pop-up settings. Edit settings. Show, don't show. Okay, I think this is slick. This video needs to be updated though. Look, dude, I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars with this exact trading bot framework, and I'm not gonna just tell you about it. I'm gonna let let's see if I have that. Hmm. Okay, I mean, I guess I could do it that way. I guess I could do it that way. Let's see here. I wish I had it written down somewhere. Da, 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 da. Okay, I'm not sure about you, but my biggest problem when I was trading by hand was I would stare at these screens all day long. I wouldn't respect my stop losses. I wouldn't respect my take profits. I would spend my whole day trying to trade up and down, eventually using too much leverage and losing a lot of money. So at one point, I realized I had to stop this. And I met somebody who was trading with bots, and I thought it was so fascinating. He said he was trading $1 billion per day. Now, I don't need to trade $1 billion per day, but I do have a North Star here. Jim Simons ran up a net worth of $31 billion. Do I need that much? No way. But I decided to show absolutely everything here for free on YouTube. And that's probably how you found me. And now I have a bunch of bots running, and I build new bots every single day live on YouTube. But what I wanted to give you an opportunity to do is jump in on a 3 hour challenge where I'm going to show you step by step how to actually automate your trading, even if you've never coded before. So the challenge is simple. I'll just make sure you can sign up below. There are very limited spaces. We're only allowing 30 people into this challenge. So you can see everything you'll get in the challenge. But my whole goal is to take you from where you are, where I used to be, a hand trader, to a fully automated trader. I will show you everything on this page. It's a 3 hour challenge. It's going to be absolutely packed. And also on top of that, you get a couple bonuses. Hour one, I'm going to show you exactly how to code if you don't know how to code, where to get all the resources you need. And then hour two, I'm going to show you how to identify strategies and then test those strategies to see if they actually work in the past. And then hour three, we're going to build some bots out. I'm going to show you my exact AI setup, how I use AI, what AIs I use, what platforms, etc., etc. I'm going to give you this full roadmap. This roadmap is literally it's a book worth of information that I've been putting together step by step. Has our Discord community, frequently asked questions, all the questions you may have, my actual RBI system, a ton of ideas that you can look at and come up with your own ideas, a book list here. There's unlimited things to test here on this roadmap, and it's a short, concise way to learn this yourself. But in this TradeBot challenge, it's going to be a 3 hour intensive. This is going to be extremely intense. There's going to be a lot of things to learn. You're going to learn exactly how to automate your trading, even if you've never coded before, and it's just going to be 3 hours. So make sure if you are interested, like I said, we're only going to allow 30 people into this TradeBot challenge, and you do get the bonuses at the end of the challenge. You can go ahead and click this button down here, put your name and email address in. There is a 100% money back guarantee. no questions asked, because I know you probably found me on YouTube, but hey, this is the internet. So I want you to feel super safe. Every single day I'm live on YouTube, so you can always find me, but there's a 90-day money back guarantee, because what I'm really looking for are other data dogs like myself that are analytical, persistent, confident, curious, dedicated to the game, and then we can all chase this goal together. We have a Discord area that's members only for people that are inside of the challenge. The challenge, I'm going to teach you absolutely everything you need to know so you can then go ahead and attack this industry by yourself or with us inside the Discord. Go ahead and read through what people have said about my trainings in the past. This is going to be a 1 day only thing. It is this coming Tuesday. And like I said, there's only going to be 30 people allowed in this private Zoom call. And it's going to be probably the most intense 3 hours. Everything you will need to know in order to automate your trading step by step, even if you've never coded before. Like I said, I'm going to show you my whole AI stack as well, so you'll know exactly how I use AI to build everything for me. It helps me research, and it has just made this process so much easier. So make sure to jump in if you want to be one of the 30 people that attends this live session, which is 3 hours this coming Tuesday. And remember, there's a no questions asked money back guarantee, so there is absolutely no risk. The only risk you're going to take today is to decide not to join this challenge. Don't take that risk. Learn everything I know so you can at least be educated next time you go to those charts. There is a better way. You don't have to sit here and try to guess up or down. We have robots driving us now. These Teslas are driving us. Why are we using our hands in order to trade? It's crazy. It's like that person that's still riding a horse to work. So at least come learn everything I know in this 3 hours. Know there's a 100% money back guarantee. And the only risk you will take is if you leave this page right now and you don't sign up for the TradeBot challenge, because then you're just going to go back to these charts and probably get liquidated like these guys. It's the sad truth. Most traders lose due to their emotions. Their emotions and them just being a human. You can't stare at these charts all day. You get tired. You have things to do. And that's normal. This is a casino. Try to be the casino operator by looking at data and finding anomalies like Jim Simons did. It's the ultimate prize. It is a very, very extreme industry. As you know, trading is very player versus player, but most people are trading by hand with emotions. So that's our opportunity. Learn how to automate your trading here on Tuesday. I'll see you there. If you get in before the 30 tickets are sold, I'll see you inside. And don't forget, if you want to grab a VIP membership, you get all of the training, you get everything saved, you get all of the recordings here. You can see you get all of the recordings for the full event, and you get the roadmap. You can read everything you get in VIP if you want that, but again, there's only going to be 30 spots available, so jump in while you can. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So go to YouTube. Thumbnail. Nice, dude. Nice. Put the wrong video. Put the wrong video up. Put the wrong video up. Save here. All right, so this is pretty chill. So, Art, 777 found. So let me write something. All right, dude. So October 14th at 10 a.m. Eastern. If you're curious about automating your trading so you can remove emotion and use robots to trade for you, I'm hosting a 3-hour live trade bot challenge on October 14th at 10 a.m. Eastern, where I will hold your hand through the process of automating your trading. It's going to be a lot to learn in 3 hours, but the goal will be to have you understand the entire automated process and for you to be confident in the automated trading process by the end. Even if you don't know how to code in this 3-hour trade bot challenge, there will be, even if you don't know how to code, there will only be 30 spaces available for this private Zoom event. Okay, sick. I'm gonna say that, but first, let me go ahead and close this up. I guess I didn't need to open a new one. Elements manage. Tradebotchallenge.com. Okay, sick, dude. PS. Okay, sick. Now I can send this, post it. Okay, let's go ahead and get this going everywhere. Did I update this page? No, it's not updated. Sheet. About challenge. October 14th. Journal admission. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Incredible one-time offer if you want it. Sweet, dude. And now this new video should be there. It's not, but it should be. It will be. It will be. Okay, so now that we got that sent here on the Twitter, I'm gonna also post it on the YouTube. Create post. Okay, posted it. Okay, I gotta post it in news as well. And then I gotta post it in the Aweber. October 14th. Perfect. Let's go ahead and send it everywhere. The hell? And Algo Trade Camp is closed to new members. It should be at least. Yup. Algo Trade Camp is now by application only. You must complete the Trade Bot Challenge to be accepted. Join the challenge here. Beautiful, bro. Beautiful, 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 beautiful world, beautiful girl. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. Okay, exit out of that one. Only 30 tickets available. Okay, I think that's all Gucci then. We've already run this. Okay, set that. I sent the email out. I sent it on Twitter. Let's see, I put it on YouTube. So those links are all accessible everywhere. October 14th. Okay, TradeBot challenge. Does that open correctly, please? Thank you. Look, dude, it's still doing that other one though. TradeBot challenge. Hmm. Maybe that'll just update in a minute. Okay, so all that is set. Let's see what else there is I need to get done. Ironically, this has been the bots that we built today have just been chilling all day because the liquidation amounts have been too high all morning. But I think that's a good thing. Damn, I just get things done so fast now. I'm looking at my whiteboard. I got my final 5 terabytes. I got 5 terabytes of space of videos for you left. And then I'm gonna go ghost. I'm gonna switch it up. Maybe I don't know, become a farmer or something. Oh, that's what I want to do here. Okay. Sick, 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 sick. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and update my OBS now for a second because now that I have these screens back, let's see if I can add one. Add this will be called TBC 7 minute. I'm not sure about you, but my biggest problem when I was nice, dude. So I got my thing back, so now I can stream longer because I could stream all day, dude. I just essentially gotta eat breakfast and drink water and get coffee and you take some breaks here and there. So I was down the last few days because I didn't have my little break screens. I got this one, but you can still hear me. And you don't want to hear me like playing with my dog and stuff like that. But now I got the trade by challenge one here. I'm not sure about you, but my biggest problem when I was trading, boom, 7 minutes. I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars with this full video there, 55 seconder. Instead of emotionally trading, using too much leverage, trying to see if the price will go up and then down and losing all of your money over. Hey, real quick, pause the video and read this whole disclaimer. Nobody's ever gonna give. Yeah, dude. Yeah. Okay. Now we got all of them. We got them all back. We got them all back. So now I can be here. I can sketch about what I need to when I need to. Okay, we're locked, bro. We're locked for the winter time. October 9th. I'll see you. I'll see you next October. It's honestly, it's funny, dude, because like if okay, for example, the last couple of weeks, I need to get some eggs or something. I'm gonna turn off the stream and then getting the stream turned back on is the tricky part. It's like, nah, I'll just come back tomorrow. I'll just do this on my own. But now that I got my little ads back, that's fire. It's fire, dude. Now we are Gucci. Now we are Gucci. Nice. October 14th at 10 a.m. Is there anywhere else I need to send it? That works well. Perfect. All right, I'm gonna get a little bit of coffee and some water. I'll BRB. I'm not sure about you, but my biggest problem when I was trading by hand was I would stare at these screens all day long. I wouldn't respect my stop losses. I wouldn't respect my take profits. I would spend my whole day trying to trade up and down, eventually using too much leverage and losing a lot of money. So at one point, I realized I had to stop this. And I met somebody who was trading with bots, and I thought it was so fascinating. He said he was trading $1 billion per day. Now, I don't need to trade $1 billion per day, but I do have a North Star here. Jim Simons ran up a net worth of $31 billion. Do I need that much? No way. But I decided to show absolutely everything here for free on YouTube, and that's probably how you found me. And now I have a bunch of bots running, and I build new bots every single day live on YouTube. But what I wanted to give you an opportunity to do is jump in on a 3 hour challenge where I'm going to show you step by step how to actually automate your trading, even if you've never coded before. So the challenge is simple. I'll just make sure you can sign up below. There are very limited spaces. We're only allowing 30 people into this challenge. So you can see everything you'll get in the challenge. But my whole goal is to take you from where you are, where I used to be, a hand trader, to a fully automated trader. I will show you everything on this page. It's a 3 hour challenge. It's going to be absolutely packed. And also on top of that, you get a couple bonuses. Hour one, I'm going to show you exactly how to code if you don't know how to code, where to get all the resources you need. And then hour two, I'm going to show you how to identify strategies and then test those strategies to see if they actually work in the past. And then hour three, we're going to build some bots out. I'm going to show you my exact AI setup, how I use AI, what AIs I use, what platforms, etc., etc. I'm going to give you this full roadmap. This roadmap is literally it's a book worth of information that I've been putting together step by step. Has our Discord community, frequently asked questions, all the questions you may have, my actual RBI system, a ton of ideas that you can look at and come up with your own ideas, a book list here. There's unlimited things to test here on this roadmap, and it's a short, concise way to learn this yourself. But in this TradeBot challenge, it's going to be a 3-hour intensive. This is going to be extremely intense. There's going to be a lot of things to learn. You're going to learn exactly how to automate your trading, even if you've never coded before, and it's just going to be 3 hours. So make sure, if you are interested, like I said, we're only going to allow 30 people into this TradeBot challenge, and you do get the bonuses at the end of the challenge. You can go ahead and click this button down here, put your name and email address in. There is a 100% money back guarantee, no questions asked, because I know you probably found me on YouTube, but hey, this is the internet, so I want you to feel super safe. Every single day I'm live on YouTube, so you can always find me, but there's a 90-day money back guarantee, because what I'm really looking for are other data dogs like myself that are analytical, persistent, confident, curious, dedicated to the game, and then we can all chase this goal together. We have a Discord area that's members only for people that are inside of the challenge. The challenge, I'm going to teach you absolutely everything you need to know so you can then go ahead and attack this industry by yourself or with us inside the Discord. Go ahead and read through what people have said about my trainings in the past. This is going to be a 1-day only thing. It is this coming Tuesday. And like I said, there's only going to be 30 people allowed in this private Zoom call. And it's going to be probably the most intense 3 hours. Everything you will need to know in order to automate your trading step by step, even if you've never coded before. Like I said, I'm going to show you my whole AI stack as well, so you'll know exactly how I use AI to build everything for me. It helps me research, and it has just made this process so much easier. So make sure to jump in if you want to be one of the 30 people that attend this live session, which is 3 hours this coming Tuesday. And remember, there's a no questions asked money back guarantee, so there is absolutely no risk. The only risk you're going to take today is to decide not to join this challenge. Don't take that risk. Learn everything I know so you can at least be educated next time you go to those charts. There is a better way. You don't have to sit here and try to guess up or down. We have robots driving us now. These Teslas are driving us. Why are we using our hands in order to trade? It's crazy. It's like that person that's still riding a horse to work. So at least come learn everything I know in this 3 hours. Know there's a 100% money back guarantee. And the only risk you will take is if you leave this page right now and you don't sign up for the TradeBot challenge, because then you're just going to go back to these charts and probably get liquidated like these guys. It's the sad truth. Most traders lose due to their emotions. Their emotions and them just being a human. You can't stare at these charts all day. You get tired. You have things to do. And that's normal. This is a casino. Try to be the casino operator by looking at data and finding anomalies like Jim Simons did. It's the ultimate prize. It is a very, very extreme industry. As you know, trading is very player versus player. But most people are trading by hand with emotions. So that's our opportunity. Learn how to automate your trading here on Tuesday. I'll see you there. If you get in before the 30 tickets are sold, I'll see you inside. And don't forget, if you want to grab a VIP membership, you get all of the training, you get everything saved, you get all of the recordings here. You can see you get all of the recordings for the full event, and you get the roadmap. You can read everything you get in VIP if you want that. But again, there's only going to be 30 spots available. So jump in while you. All right, we're back, dude. We're back. We're back. We're back. We're locked. We're locked. We're locked. Um, I do have this note sheet here, which is pretty helpful. I want to give lighter another try. So let's go ahead and do that. Well, let me make sure. Let me make sure. Let me make sure that's my highest priority. I'm really trying to only do highest priority things. So I'm gonna breathe a little bit in between things. I've got a whiteboard behind me. Just turn around, look at my whiteboard. You can still hear me. I want to do that as well, actually. I want to do the other test, the strength test with the liquidations. Okay, we're gonna do that as well. All right, let's keep looking through the board. I feel pretty good about that. So let's delete this whole half of the whiteboard. Back to back to back now. Beautiful, 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 beautiful stuff. Beautiful stuff. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful stuff. Okay, so now what I want to do here is update this. Um, all right, so let's do the same thing here. Same features of the account 1, 2, and 3. And we're gonna build something that is no licks like the others. So when there's over X amount of licks like the other no licks, then we will not trade. Otherwise we will. And you're essentially gonna take this bot here, duplicate it, and add in that feature plus the account 1, 2, 3 thing. Okay, so let's go look at that one. Which one was it? Direction strength. That's right. At direction strength. At direction strength WebSocket. And 5% TP and 7% stop loss with a 15-minute max trade time for version 2. So we'll be making 2 versions of this. So take that original, add the no licks, and one will be just like the same pretty much, and then one other one will be 5% take profit, 7% stop loss with the 15-minute max trade, both based off of the direction extended and using our new setup. Our new, our new, our new, our new, our new, our new, our new. So let me put these on deck. Sort of above on deck. Older strength ones plus lick off. Damn, I just got so many ideas for this. So she's compacting conversation right now. All right, there she goes. Absolutely nutty, dude. Absolutely nutty, nutty, nutty. That would be absolutely nutty, buddy. Nutter butters. Nutter butter. Nutty, buddy. Ooh, asked her down bad. Trading disabled on all of these. So it's just only going to trade during non-volatile periods. And that's how these new two are going to build or be trading as well, which is pretty interesting to me. And I'm not using the VIX because I can't get that data too quickly. I want I want something more connected to crypto too. The VIX is cool, but it's not really crypto specific. Perfect. I've successfully implemented the no licks liquidation monitoring feature for both direction strengths, both variants. Dr. Data Doc. Thank you. Beautiful. Let's go ahead here and just put these on deck here. Remember, remember to adjust the accounts used. Okay. Perfect. I should have done 6-7, but I'm too big of a boomer for that. Okay, perfect. So I've got these two that should work. And the other thing I want to work on here is I want to give lighter another try. As the no fees is they're enticing. And that's what they want, of course, but I mean, what the hell would that be? That would be crazy. Okay, so the next thing I want to do here, I want to pull up my GitHub here and see if I have lighter in here. Lighter. I do. Copy path. Copy repo path. CD code dot. Okay, I got my EMV, I got all that. Timeline, get that out of here. Let's see what my EMV looks like. On T-Flow. MMO2 updated. Grid setup complete. Are you saying you're working now? Hmm. Might be working now. All three of the bots that we set up are all paused, pretty much. What's up, Ogle Khan? Ogle. Ogle. Top right. What's up, top right? Hotel. What's up, bro? Hot Atlanta. I want to see if this works, man. Because this might already work. Nah, can't already work. Let's go ahead and say con to activate. Now let's exit out. Let's say Claude dangerously skip permissions. I want you to go ahead and build me a file that essentially makes sure that everything is working here on this exchange. Okay, so first thing, I want you to grab my balance and print it. Don't show any keys or nothing sensitive in any of these prints. Print my balance. Okay, and then I want you to go ahead and take half that balance and make a buy bid and a sell bid for the other half. Actually use 40% each. Okay, so 40%, buy bid, sell bid. Make it so it's not anywhere close to the execution. So we can then wait 5 seconds so I can see it on the actual exchange and then cancel those orders. And then wait another 5 seconds and then make a market order to buy. We'll use BTC for each of these and just use 40% of the account. Then go ahead and grab the position size. So essentially making sure our grab position or get position works. And then print that out. And then after that, we'll go ahead, wait a couple seconds, and then market sell that or close the position. And Yes, for the earlier limit orders, make sure the bid ask is working so we can then say, okay, if the bid is 100,000, let's do $20 under that. Or if the ask is 100,000, do $20 over that. Those that way we won't fill either of the bids or asks. Then we can practice our bid ask function and our cancel function. Look through this entire GitHub repo here, and you have a bunch of functions and bots that I was working on in the past that will probably help with this. My ENV is all set up. Don't show anything private here. No keys or anything like that. Thanks. Okay, and then also let's give her the lighter documentation. Lighter exchange documentation. Okay, API. All right, we're building for lighter exchange here. We're building trading bots. I'm using Claude Code, of course, and we're already partway through this. So let me just go ahead and keep working on it, and I'll show you all the code here at the middle or the end or during and around this time right now. Yes, okay. Let's go ahead here and say, okay, you can see these errors that I get. Please make it so we are not printing out any personal information. But go ahead and fix this as well. Okay, sick, dude. So we should be live here in a second. Perfect. I can see the issue. It's the order time in force. Okay, perfect. Glad you can see the issue. Let me go ahead and get another terminal set up here. Honda new. Okay, let's say Conda activate T-flow, bro. And then I will go ahead and run this file again when she's done. Exchange functionality test, copy path. Okay, let's actually CD up into this B as well. Exchange functionality test. Okay, fix the constant name error. Okay, protected sensitive data. Okay, let's go ahead and also get onto Lighter Exchange here on my computer. And I think I'm in there. Yes. Order history. Okay. Oh, 10-9. It did get an order through. Okay, okay. Cool, 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 cool. So Python, run this. I'm actually gonna pull off screen for half a second because it was printing some information I didn't want. Bad request. Okay, okay. Place the market order. And then it should close the position as well. Canceled. Okay, so I got some information for her. You can see that we got a bunch of errors here, and also the orders, market orders, showed as canceled. See the screenshot. Please fix the multiple errors in this. Thank you. Okay, so we are here with Lighter, and we may be able to finish this right now. That would be sick. And I'll show you all the code, and then we'll keep stepping on the gas. Let me fix the test script, the default expiry constant, and increase the order size. I wonder why it was canceled though. Order canceled due to excessive slippage beyond allowed limit. By the way, this is why it was canceled. I don't know if you need to change anything. As I don't know if you actually knew the reason it got canceled. So if this is helpful, please make any updates. Okay, so you can see here, it made all these updates. So changed it from that to that, cleaned up that. Place limit order successfully, won't fill 20. Okay. Perfect data, dog. That's super helpful. Order canceled due to excessive slippage. So the 1% I set is too high. Reduce the slippage. Okay, let's get it. Let's see how this does. Let's see if it gets the orders in and all that good stuff. I'm gonna test it here. Running the test. Checking balance, that works. Error ordering still. Limit order prices too far from the mark price. Okay. That's good to know. Glad we have that information. Also, this one was canceled. The slippage was too big again. I still get this limit order error and then the same slippage error. It just cancels it automatically. Filled 0, reduce only. Okay. Let's go ahead and see if she can fix that. Filled. Got to get these things in here. Start making this for the day. Part 2. Part 3. Okay, you can see here. Change from 20 offset to 0.05. Removed all slippage. Market orders don't need to add slippage. Slipperage. Slipper, slippage. Slipper, slippage. Okay, so there we go. Damn, this is what it looks like. And now I have a bunch of bots running and I build new bots every single day. That's what a full, okay, that makes sense. What's this? Let's kill this, dude. Get that up out of there. Looks like no speaking for a while. No speaky speaky. Okay, let's go ahead and get that final one in there. Part 3. And let's see how these do now. So I've got the terminal here. Let's run it. See if we get any errors. Placing by limit order. Still an error here with the limit order. I should get the same errors for both of them. I actually get the exact same errors for both of them. Same slippage error. And then you can see this error for the limits. It's just me, shorty. It's just me. Chopped. Chop, chop. Okay, let's see what happens here. Excellent, Dr. Datadog. I found the issue. I think she's tripping still. Let's go ahead and try it ourselves. Here, let's just try to have it use trade history here. Oh, order history. Limit canceled. Test suite complete unsuccessfully though. Still unsuccessful. Let's use really high leverage in order to make sure it's the minimum size on the limit order. Still doesn't seem to go through. I was actually just able to put a limit order in, and you can use this exact price because I use 55% of my account without leverage, and it put the limit order perfect here for BTC. So just try to make a bid here for this price. I did 120,371. And we still get the same thing with the market order, the slippage thing. It's still breaking. It's super weird. Got it, Dr. Dog. You successfully placed a limit order exactly that price with 55% of your account. Let me update the script. Please do, please do. Okay, limit order should now work. Let's see it. Limit order price is too far from the mark price. That does not make sense, cousin. That no makes sense. Sense is not being made. Sense is not being made here, family. Same error. Let's focus on this limit order, dude. Same error with the limit order. Let's focus on this until we get it done. Add more prints if needed. Okay, I've updated the limit order to get Lighter's actual last trade price. Place limit orders $1 away. Add full debug. Why were you using somebody else's last trade price? That's crazy. More info on debugs. All right, let's run it back. Same error as phone. Print out how you're submitting the order. Maybe you're submitting the order the incorrect way, like wrong decimals or something. Crazy, crazy cat. Unraveling. Okay, we'll see about that, dude. Nice. Okay, it's been placed now. Perfect. Open orders here. Canceled, canceled. Great, dude. That worked. Awesome job. Now please apply it to our market orders as well. You've got some sort of weird bug here where you're trying to put in an order for 1.85 Bitcoin when I have like $8 in my account. So there's some sort of math error there as well. That made the order get rejected. Okay, so it should work now. Let's see. Okay, put the limit order in. Actually got into a position on accident too. Gets the position fine. Okay, so I think this all works now. Okay, now make a really good README, update it in order to show how to use all the functionality in Lighter using this exchange functionality test. And also go ahead and delete any files that we're not using here. There might be old tests and whatnot. Um, yeah, and essentially just make this GitHub all nice and clean, showing exactly how to use these functions inside of this GitHub. And I want to keep the MMO2 in those files, but any like testing files, just clean up this whole GitHub and make it super clear in the README how to use these functions for Lighter. Okay, I'm also going to go ahead here and the non-financial advice here, .env. I'm going to put that in here in this env one. Env here. Env example. Okay, let's close that as well. Okay, perfect, dude. So I've got my EMVs and stuffs set up here. And then I want to go ahead and try. Here, let me go ahead and add a bit more there. Perfect. Let me update the README. Thank you. So you can see she cleaned up this whole environment. Okay, she's done. Perfect. So I'm going to say copy path here. Look through this GitHub that, the README explains how to use this GitHub. But anyways, I want you to go ahead and bring on over any functions needed. Maybe there needs to be a lighter nice funcs file. And we're essentially going to go ahead and duplicate this bot that is for extended, but we're going to build it for lighter. Everything stays the same. Liquidation amount, liquidation, all that good stuff stays the same. And you're going to build it for lighter. Now that you have an example README, and you can bring over any files and make lighter nice funcs files, etc., and lighter duplicate of this bot here. And then what is that bot? Well, it's going to be the extended OFI, extended OFI, advanced no licks, just this one bot, but for lighter instead. Okay, that should be slick. You can see my at .env example for how the keys are set up in the env. Don't show them on screen. Okay, dude, so this is sick. I don't know if you saw what I did here, but it's fire. Essentially took the lighter stuff from this GitHub that we were kind of debugging, and now it's over here in this GitHub. Well, we'll see at least. She's gonna learn from it, and then I'm gonna earn from it. She gonna learn, I'm gonna earn, and we're gonna run it back. We're just gonna keep running it back. Just keep running it back. And I'm excited for this because there are no fees. Lighter OFI, advanced, no licks, copy relative path. Okay. Great. So I have 4 tests. I got 3 tests running right now. So perfect, Datadog. I've created the lighter OFI. Uses lighter exchange, symbol BTC, minimum margin set, remove set leverage calls. We can't use Binance WebSocket data for that. No way. For the OFI stuff, that's fine. But we gotta make sure that we're using the lighter WebSocket for the ask bid. So we're making sure to put our asks and bids in the right place when entering or exiting. So it's okay to use Binance WebSocket for OFI, but we need the pricing from Lighter itself. I'll let her finish that up. Okay, sick. Let's go ahead and see if it works. Lighter. Let's run it. I'm getting these errors, which is weird. If we're using Binance WebSocket, then it should be just like our other one, right? Extended. Ah, snap. That's fine. The lighter WebSocket URL is working. It's getting. Look at the other files of how we grab the liquidation data, and the thing we have if none comes back. We want to do the similar thing. ETH liquidation, 0.52 mil. Okay, here we go. Let's see if this works now. We should check the liquidation data first, because if there's too many liquidations, we won't even need to run the OFI sample name process. You're absolutely right. We should check the liquidations first. Oh, my bad. Okay, now this should check the liquidations before starting. Doesn't seem like it does that. Liquidation's too high. Okay, great. So that works. Now let's see if I change this here to bajillion. See how that works. I got this when it tried to enter, but then it went straight into a sleep. It put the order in, but remember it has to loop like the other ones, so it actually gets the order in. Remember, you want to copy everything from this bot and make it for that one. So the entering, how it loops and waits for the, if the price changes, it puts the order in again, etc. I just realized I forgot to change the stuff on the TradeBot challenge to go to the right pages. So if you joined already, I know a few people have joined, and you didn't get sent to the thank you page with the link to the Zoom room, my bad. And you can just email us, moon@Algo Trade Camp. We'll get you the thank you page link. I'll also update my team to know that. So we'll all know that. And they'll send you an email as long as you email them. And then we can all be one happy emailing family. Okay, that should be Gucci now. I'm gonna double check just because I messed up before. Preview. Beautiful. It's working now. Okay, that works. Let's go ahead and just double check all of these real quick. Okay, perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Now, I guess the last place I need to check is this. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's see if this is fixed now. Got to get its samples first. Super weird actions here. So weird. Look at this file to see how to put in the orders. Because it works perfectly in this file, but it seems like you're not getting the orders in there. And you're also not looping the orders as you should. Where'd that file go, bro? Did I close it for real? Copy repo path. Exchange functionality test right here. Doesn't have a REST API for placing orders. Only works with the official async. No, fam, that file I just sent you works perfectly, so just learn from that. What the heck, skip lighter? Yeah, right. They're crazy, dude. ATL. Pip install lighter exchange. Lighter SDK. Copy. Run it. I got this little error. Plan mode? What the hell is this? Okay, it's getting calculations. OFI calculator ready. Getting liquidation data. Executing long trade. Please remove all this debugging stuff. I can't even see what's going on. It does not look like it's placed the order successfully yet. But it's been running for a while now and it's on position checks, which is showing that, it thinks it placed the position or something. Remember, that file I sent you shows you how to place limit orders and it works perfectly. So just put it on the best bid or the best ask, depending long or short. Good, now the bot will show the clear outputs. Let's go ahead and see it, dude. So it's collecting samples here. Pre-liquidation, pre-window liquidation check. This ain't it, bro. It seems to get stuck right here, which is weird. You have all the, I showed you the file that puts the orders in perfectly limit, but it seems to just get stuck here. And I'm watching the exchange and no orders have gone through. Thank you. We crashed cursor, dude. Crash cursor. Copy path. Okay, I've already copied path. I'm not done with this one. But I got 3 bots set up today. So I'm going to put this in orange here. I'm going to say orange. And I'll put a note here. Trying to build this out, I have examples of how to buy, sell, limit, close in my lighter documentation or GitHub via C. So this shouldn't be too hard. Just need give it some time. Perfect. And you'll have to come back for that.